Yahaya Bello is a man on the run, with the Efcc hot on his trail with a 19-count charge bordering on money laundering filed against him. With his whereabouts unknown, his case came up on Thursday at the Federal High Court Abuja before Emeka Nwite, the same trial judge who 24 hours earlier granted a warrant for his arrest. Abdul Wahab Mohammed, who represented Mr. Bello in court when the matter was called for his arraignment, challenged the validity of the charge on the ground that the court lacks jurisdiction. The senior lawyer who urged the court to vacate the arrest warrant said a High Court of Kogi had on February 9 restrained the anti-graft agency from arresting, detaining or prosecuting Bello. Bello's counsel also objected to the application by EFCC's counsel, Kemi Pinero, to serve him the charge on his client's behalf, as it's a criminal trial. However, Pinero argued that Bello, with the aid of his counsel, seemed to be on a quest to frustrate the trial by evading service of charge. The prosecutor therefore says the anti-graft agency will go all out to arrest Yahaya Bello ahead of the April 23 date fixed by the trial judge to rule on the mode of service.
We have informed the court that by virtue of section 287 of the Constitution, all persons are obliged to obey the court order. The court order is for his production on the next adjourned date, and the state will ensure that it's produced in court. Section 12 of AJA also allows a law enforcement agent to break down any premises where a defendant may be hiding. And so the state will invoke all its powers within the law to ensure that it's produced in court for the purpose of arraignment, and it's in his own interest. So he can come and plead his innocence or take his plea as to whatever he wants to say.
Meanwhile, the EFCC has released wanted posters of Yahaya Bello. The former Kogi State Governor evaded arrest at his Wuse home after the Kogi State Governor, Usman Ododo, and the company of police operatives allegedly whisked him away to a destination unknown, giving another twist to the unfolding drama. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.